What is up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is July the 14th, and we have a busy day and a busy week. Okay, so anyway, guys, we're out here in the Alpharetta, Georgia area. This is a repeat client, Mr. Jeff. I took care of Jeff's floors about 3 weeks ago. He was so happy with the service, he had us come back today to do his quartz countertops. He said, Courtney, since you done my wood floors, I've had about 4 compliments. He had some guests over, he had a pool party, and everybody gave him a compliment on his wood floors. My guy Aaron is actually in Buckhead today doing a guest house full sanding. Me and Tavares is out here doing some quartz countertops, and then after this we gotta go to Flowery Branch and do a wood floor screen recoat with UV cure and also their countertops. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Beautiful home. This is actually a horse farm, almost over 80 square feet of property for his horses. So let me show you guys what we got going today. So we're going to be doing these quartz countertops. This is the property of Mr. Jeff. And he is such, like I said, guys, I work for amazing people. So we're going to be doing his quartz countertops today. Custom, this is, I'm telling you guys, top of the line quartz countertops. So we're going to be doing these today. These are the wood floors that we did about 3 weeks ago. And Jeff said, Courtney, I have gotten so many compliments from my wood floors. We did a clean screen and recoat. So what we're going to do, guys, is start this. Then we're also going to do this. He's just moving some of the things. And we're also going to do this around here and then around here. All right. All right, guys, we're going to get started. That's Mr. Jeff right there. And stay tuned. Alright, guys, check this out. This is the look that my client was looking for. Nice and sealed. That's a good way you can tell when it's not leaving any smudge marks or fingerprints. So it's nice and sealed, buffed out. But look at this right here, guys. That's why I did a half and half so I can show you. Look at this right here. And that's the look that Jeff wanted. He wanted to get it nice and sealed, really bring out that black, enhance that black in the stone, the natural black in the stone. And you can see how now it just looks unsealed. It almost has like an ashy look to it, but here looks amazing. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and finish up. Stay tuned. Hey Jeff, what you think?
Looks fantastic.
Don't they look better?
Looks fantastic.
You can actually see now the characteristics. Yes.
All picks up.
All how everything picked out.
Is this dry?
It's dry. Yeah. Wipe your hands across of it. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wait till my wife sees this.
Yes, sir. We got all the edges. So yep. So you can see the part we haven't done. Yep. We already cleaned this. But we haven't polished it and sealed it.
Gotcha.
So look at the difference from here, here, and here. Yep.
Well, that's what I was looking for.
And look at it, man. You can just see how it just brought everything out. Beautiful.
Oh, man. Well, you need to come back and do that.
Yeah, okay. You're gonna either have to give me a ladder, but first, like I said,
I got a couple ladders.
okay, and then yeah, we're gonna try to figure that one out because that's gonna make everything pop.
Oh shit, these are great.
Man, yeah, like for example, I thought these were scratches. That's actually in the look how how it brings it out.
Sure is. Yeah, you're right.
Yep, that's actually in the stone.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that. Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
Wow.
A lot of this stuff you can't even tell.
No, until you,
Yeah,
until
until you put the sealer on.
Oh man, this is fantastic.
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
You should see it, and you can pick up the texture.
And you can pick up the tape. Yes, yeah, from this side. Yep.
Wow.
Yes, sir. My customer Jeff show you how good when you seal a floor. Watch this. Not a floor, but a countertop. Jeff says like air hockey. See that?
All right. I got close to the edge.
Yeah. He loves it. Looks good, doesn't it?
I like that darker.
You wanted this one. He was telling me you wanted that darker look, enhance it, and now you can just really see the character. Yes, you can see it
I like
now.
that one.
Yes.
Truman, where's your bottle?
My bottle. Go get one of the bottles, T.
Bottle.
So we do the ice hockey. He want to show his wife, yeah, how it's sealed. No, one of our bottles. Oh, you just get one of those. Just get one of these. Yeah. So watch this. This is a dishwasher. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
It's like a freaking air hockey.
Yep.
That is what gives me the most.
Yes.
That vein is gorgeous.
Yep.
So, I didn't even really notice
You didn't really notice it. Yep.
That's my favorite part.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad they picked that for the back. I'll give them that.
Yeah, so this is actually, he sent me, at first we was confused, but this is leathered quartzite.
Leathered.
Quartzite, yes.
Looks like leather.
He did his research.
Yeah, 'cause I didn't want to touch something and mess it up and then be paying about 20 grand to replace it.
Fair.
Because this stuff is, I think, when you showed me the ticket, it's like $73 a square foot. That's pretty, yeah.
And that wasn't even the one, like the first one.
Yes.
Oh yeah. No, you can't. Not at all.
That's fantastic.
I love when people just keep saying, wow, wow. All right, guys, that's going to do it. My client, they are very happy. We got it clean, buff, polished, sealed. Actually had to seal it a few times because it's very porous. This is quartzite, leather quartzite. So I've got some good seal on here, and Jeff is so happy. He was just showing me other stuff that he wants me to do, but this came out beautiful, guys. No fingerprints. You guys saw the slide test. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, we're about to head to Flowery Branch and do a wood floor and countertop. Thank you guys again. See you in the next one.
Yeah, send me that link and I'll